Mastering decision-making, weighing pros and cons. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a critical part of English language learning, discussing and making decisions. Particularly, we'll be focusing on considering alternative options and their pros and cons. This is a valuable skill that you will often need in debates, discussions, and everyday life situations. So, let's dive right in. Before we dive into considering alternatives, we need to first understand what pros and cons are. The pros are the positive aspects or the advantages of an idea, while the cons are the disadvantages or the negative aspects. Whenever we need to make a decision, it's helpful to write down or consider the pros and cons to better understand the situation. Identifying the pros and cons is not always as straightforward as it seems. First, you need to fully understand the situation or the idea you're examining. This involves careful listening or reading, and comprehension of the information. Once you have a solid understanding, ask yourself, what are the benefits, pros, and what are the drawbacks, cons? Your answers will form the basis for your pros and cons list. When making decisions, it's important not to be stuck with just one option. Considering alternative options means thinking about other possible paths or decisions that you could take. These alternatives can provide different sets of pros and cons which you might need to evaluate separately. Weighing the pros and cons of each alternative option is the heart of decision-making. It involves evaluating the benefits and drawbacks of each choice and comparing them to each other. This requires critical thinking skills and an unbiased perspective. Often, you might have to choose an option with fewer cons rather than the one with more pros. The best way to learn is through practice. Try to simulate debates or discussions in English, where you and your partners bring up different options for a decision. Practice identifying, listing, and comparing pros and cons for these options. This will help you enhance not only your English language skills but also your decision-making and critical thinking abilities. That's it for today's lesson, everyone. Remember, decision-making based on weighing pros and cons is a key skill in English and in life. By considering alternative options and their pros and cons, you can make well-informed decisions and improve your discussions and debates. Keep practicing, and I'm sure you'll master this skill in no time. Happy learning!